Welcome back to the Best of 2025 series. I am Francisca Alonso, CEO of AV Architects and Builders, and today we're talking about a design element that quietly transforms every space: flooring. I'm joined by David Benson. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Francisca. I'm glad to be here. I'm David Benson, President and CEO of Architessa.
Just in case you missed the other two videos, we have a video on tile and a video on countertops. So go ahead and check them out. What flooring trends caught homeowners' attention in 2025? Anything new compared to the last year?
Well, the biggest emphasis was on sustainability and long-term benefits. We saw materials like carbon core, which uses bamboo and charcoal composites as a base for the LVT product, gain traction because they're more water resistant and more scratch resistant and offer better sound performance, which any homeowner will love.
Sustainable, low-maintenance flooring is becoming a must for families with busy lifestyles. Were there any new materials or technologies that made an impact this year?
Yes, there is a large format parquet flooring that blends wood and stone together. When you mix the colors of the wood with the red marble, it's amazing. It's visually stunning, and the patterns like chevron and herringbone have been incredibly popular recently too, because they really open up the space and add a unique design to the floor.
That's beautiful. Patterned floors are such a beautiful way to introduce movement into a room. How are today's flooring products adapting to busy, active households?
Manufacturers are upping their game with higher wear layers, something we didn't really see in residential before. It gives homeowners more durability without sacrificing style, so it's taking that commercial strength and bringing it into the home.
That's awesome. That's crucial in modern homes: performance and functionality without compromising on beauty. Which flooring materials or collections were your top sellers this year?
Our top sellers included the Bedford LVP collection and the Bend LVP series. Both offer durability, beautiful finishes that work across design styles, and especially wider planks.
Absolutely. Those lines strike a great balance between durability and design, which is exactly what homeowners are asking for right now. What was your personal favorite flooring trend or product in 2025?
I love all things wood floors, but this year my favorite color is the Georgia color from the Havenwood series, which is recently launched. It has an elegant tone that complements so many styles.
I love that choice. It's the kind of tone that makes the space feel grounded and inviting without overpowering the room.
I agree.
What do you expect to see in residential flooring in 2026?
So many things. Hybrid floors or hybrid rigid core are taking over engineered wood. They offer that look and thickness of real wood, but the waterproof durability and a longer life.
Wow, that's awesome. It's exciting to see materials that look authentic while offering the kind of durability modern families really need. And for homeowners or designers wanting to explore these products, what's the best way to reach you?
The easiest way to explore all these materials and more is by visiting architessa.com and diving into the style guides. They're designed to help you visualize different styles and discover what fits your personal aesthetic.
Thank you for watching, and thank you, David from Architessa, for helping us explore these trends. Be sure to continue through our Best of 2025 series to learn more about the materials, features, and innovations shaping residential design. And if you are dreaming of building a home that reflects your lifestyle, we'd love to help bring that dream to life. You can connect with us at avarchitectsbuild.com. I am Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.